Hi friends. If you are searching to know about the Group 2 details, then you have chosen a right platform. Here we will explain all details clearly. Without wasting time, let's go into details. We are here today to share some important information about Group 2. APPSC Group 2 Notification 2021 is going to be released soon. So, job seekers who are looking for APPSC jobs should get ready to catch this excellent opportunity. APPSC Group 2 Services exam is a prestigious and a challenging exam at the state level. Let's see posts, services and pay scale under Group 2. The posts under Group 2 are classified into executive posts and non-executive posts. Executive posts means relating to or having the power to put plans or actions into effect. Here you can see posts, services and pay scale that come under executive posts. Non-executive posts means someone who has a non-executive position in a company or organization, gives advice but is not responsible for making decisions or ensuring that decisions are carried out. These are posts, services, and pay scale of non-executive posts. Candidate age should be between 18 and 42. Selection process will be like this. You should be aware of these subjects to qualify prelims exam. In mains exam, there are 3 papers. To qualify mains, you should be aware of these subjects shown on screen. Duration of exam is 150 minutes. And there will be negative marking of 1/3 of the allotted marks for each questions. Candidates who had cleared the written exam, that is prelims and mains, are eligible to appear for the further selection process. Friends, you have to complete one-time registration process. Then you can apply through official website. If you have any queries, please comment us in the comments section. We will respond as early as possible. Today's riddle is: which 3 letters can frighten a thief away? If you know the answer, comment us below. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share.